prep for the week. It's a holiday, so I only have to work 3 days this week. So peanut butter jelly each day. And I did kind of play on 4, just breakfast. I get my hair done this Thursday, and I know I'm always running late. So I figure at least if my breakfast and a snack is packed, I can eat that on the way to the salon and then have a snack while I'm getting my hair done. Anywho, so breakfast, oatmeal with apples, cinnamon, sugar. Dinner, these Chipotle crispy fingers, rice. I have mashed potatoes I made down there, and then I'll add veggies each day. But some days I'll have rice, some days I'll have a side of mashed potatoes. Why does it look like I barely have any mashed potatoes? There they kind of go. Peanut butter jelly for lunch this week, and apple slices as my snack. Gotta go, already late for work, gotta be there by 8:30. Typical of me.